Welcome to Rich Gal Tour, the ultimate destination for those seeking the finer things in life. Our channel is dedicated to helping you live your best life, no matter your budget. We believe that everyone deserves to experience the excitement and sophistication that comes with living a wealthy lifestyle. Whether you're looking to improve your own success or simply enjoy the pleasures of life, rest assured, we've got everything under control. Our short videos will provide you with tips and tricks on how to make the most of your life, from style and fashion to personal development and success. We'll show you how to live life to the fullest and look good while doing it. Our mission is to inspire and motivate you to never give up, to love yourself, and to enjoy every minute of your life, whether you're rich or not. With Rich Gal Tour, you'll always feel positive, confident, and excited about what's next. Subscribe to our channel and join the Rich Gal Tour community today. Let's make the most of every moment and live our best lives together. Enjoy the ride!